Hi guys, there is this delicious fat spread. So in this video, I'm going to show you its review and recipe. This 100-gram pack will cost you only rupees 19 and this product is by Amul. Although this pack doesn't have Amul logo, but this product is listed on Amul website. Now you must be wondering, Amul butter 100 gram cost you rupees 56. Why this is so cheap? Reason is this is not butter. It has physical consistency similar to butter, but this fat spread is not prepared from milk. It is prepared exclusively from vegetable oil and fat. And this product is available in 100 gram and 500 gram packaging. And you store it refrigerated all the times. The shelf life of this pack is 9 months, but once you open the pack, consume it within a month. It has the texture of butter, so it is ideal for spreading on the bread, toast, sandwich. And this one is salted, but it doesn't taste like butter at all. Going by the numbers of nutritional information, it is supposed to be healthier than butter. Lesser fat content, very less saturated fat, lesser calorie. That's the only good part here. It's a low cost substitute of butter. Use it as a butter substitute in all the application. It glides on bread like any other regular butter. You can also use it for shallow frying or for use as a topping like pav bhaji, paratha, but don't expect the taste like butter. Butter enhances the flavor and taste of food. This doesn't make that difference. Unlike butter, this has a subtle flavor. So if you can't afford butter and you want to go for something low cost, you can give this a try. Otherwise, butter is butter, yaar. You can't substitute it with any other fat spread. So that was all about it. Hope you find the review and recipe useful. Subscribe for more.